Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered about modifying Brawl Stars? It's a popular topic among players looking for something different and new. These unofficial versions can really change up your gameplay, often with unique features not found in the official release. However, it's really important to know exactly what you're getting into and how these types of mods typically function. Essentially, Brawl Stars mods are unofficial versions of the game itself. They've been modified by third parties, often to include features like unlimited gems, endless coins, or even access to unreleased brawlers. These changes allow for a completely different playing experience, far beyond what the official game offers. To find these unofficial versions, people usually look for private servers or specific third-party websites that host them. They're often available as APK files, especially for Android users, allowing for direct installation. Just remember, it's crucial to be really careful where you download anything from, always prioritizing your device's safety. Be aware that downloading unofficial game files comes with very real risks, like malware or viruses that can harm your device. There's also a high chance your official Brawl Stars account could be permanently banned by Supercell if you use these modified clients. For your safety, always use strong antivirus software and definitely avoid linking your main game account. So, while those mods might seem tempting with their unique features, the potential risks really do outweigh the perceived benefits. Playing the official game always gives you the most secure and fair experience, without any hidden dangers. Your device's security and personal data should always be your top priority, especially when thinking about game modifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.